In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition switch on this GMC Sierra. This is going to be attached to the steering column. Let's get into it. Now we're going to disconnect the battery. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen up the negative terminal. And set that aside. You want to have the steering wheel adjusted up. Where the adjuster is, you want to grab that and forcefully pull it outward. You have to pull pretty hard to get that off. Pull that off. With a trim tool, you can see where the cover splits from the top and the bottom. You want to go in between there. Just pry it out. You're going to do this on both sides. Grab the cover, pull it down. Now I'm going to adjust the steering column down and then just grab the top and just pull the cover off. It just pops up. It's just clipped in. We're going to take the ignition cylinder out, take the key, we're going to turn it to the start position, and then with a blunt pick or just a straight pick, there's a little hole in the top. You're going to push down in the hole. And then you just pull the cylinder out. Just rock it back and forth a little bit. Right here, we're going to disconnect the immobilizer. I'm just going to use a pick. This purple connector right here. Just a little tab right there. And just push down on that tab. Disconnect that connector. There we go. We're going to take these two screws out, use a T15 socket. And grab this little module. Pull it up. You can pull this cover off. There's a couple of clips in the back holding it in. Pop those out. Slide this off and just set it aside. We're going to take this sensor out. I'm just using a pick. In the top, you just need to move a little arm out of the way, and then you twist it and it comes out. Disconnect the connector here. It's a little lock tab underneath here. Just use a pick. Just slide that out. There we go. And you can push down on the button. Disconnect the connector. Just pull that out, just like that. Before we take the switch out, it does have to be timed properly. You can see that there's a little gear right here, and there's almost like a tooth missing. We're going to pull that out, but to get this in this correct location, we're going to actually put the lock cylinder back in temporarily. So take your lock cylinder, put that in, and we're going to turn it like it's in the off position. Pull the key out, and what you need to do is there's two little holes right here. You can take a straight pick. You can even use two picks if you want. Push down on the tab. I just pull the switch to one side and then release the other one, or you can go back and forth. And that comes out, and just take a look at that gear before you put the new one in. And you want the gears to look the same. So you're just going to rotate it just a little bit, just so it looks like that. That looks good. Take the new switch. And you can line it up. Take the key. And we're going to take the cylinder out again because we're going to have to put the immobilizer back in place. Go like you're going to start it. Push down. Slide that out. Now connect the connector on the bottom. Get that lined up. Push it in. Push in on the lock, then this little button goes up top. And we're going to install it the same way it came out. You just push it in and twist it to the right. Push it in, lock it in. That's good. Now the pass lock sensor is going on next. It's going to go on the same way it came off. Just get this lined up. Push that in place. Take the little box, get that lined up, and we'll put the screws in. And just snug those down. That's good. Take this purple looking connector, get that lined up, lock it in place. Take the lock cylinder, slide that in. It seems like it's not going in. You might have to move the piece in the back, but this one went in. And you can get the key out. That's good. I'll take the top cover, line this up. And take this boot on the side here for the shifter. Get that lined up the best you can. And push it in place. It's locked in. Take the bottom one. We'll do the same. If you need to, you can adjust the steering wheel up. Slide that on the boot. That lines up. Clip it in place. And same on the other side. It's all clipped in. And take the adjuster handle, get that lined up, push it back in place. Take the negative terminal, get that lined up, we'll snug it down, give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. Now you're going to take your key and go to start the vehicle, and it should start right up. If it does not, and you have this little light on, it looks like the key with a lock, and it says Immobilizer service required, then you're going to do a Immobilizer relearn. You want to start that by connecting a battery charger to the battery, because it's going to take about half an hour. You're going to turn the key in the on position, go to start the vehicle, let off, just leave it in the on position, and then you're going to set a timer on your phone and wait about 10 minutes, and you should notice that Immobilizer light turn off. When that turns off, you're going to cycle the key off and then go to start the vehicle again. And you're going to do this again 3 times. In between, you only want to wait about 5 seconds before you go to crank it again. And then after the 3rd time, you should be able to take the key out and start it up, and the vehicle should start. In the event that that does not work, you will have to have the Immobilizer programmed with a special scan tool.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.